Hello Medictube subscribers and non-subscribers. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of Barberry. So let's watch and stay healthy together. Barberry, benefits and effects on the body. It's time to talk about the benefits of Barberry for our health. It can help with many disorders. For women, the berry will be useful for its ability to cleanse pores, eliminate skin defects, and give the healthy color. In alternative medicine, it is used to stop uterine bleeding. For men, Barberry will help get rid of prostatitis and increase potency. It recovers well after sports and heavy physical exertion. Promotes rapid regeneration of injured tissues. Fruit cleans the blood and improves its quality, relieves spasms, strengthens blood vessels, and removes cholesterol. The benefits of Barberry for the human body are its many therapeutic properties: choleretic, anti-cancer, immunomodulating, sedative, and antibacterial. The fruits of Barberry will help lower blood pressure and normalize digestion. In folk healing, the berry is widely used in the fight against many disorders associated with important systems and organs of the human body. Moreover, the healing properties of fruit are also used in pharmaceuticals. What else is useful Barberry? Berries help to effectively cope with a number of diseases like gallstone disease, tuberculosis, hepatitis, enteritis, painful menstruation, low blood coagulability, urethritis, cholecystitis and cystitis, a cold, anemia and vitamin deficiency, migraine, inflammation, apathy and depression, neuralgia and neurosis, low immunity, slagging of the body, metabolic disorders. Contraindications and harm to Barberry berries. Having found out benefits of Barberry, we also mention its harm to health. He has quite a few contraindications: cirrhosis of the liver, tendency to thrombosis, high gastric acidity, serious diseases of heart and blood vessels, kidney ailments, menopause in women, children age up to 10 years, individual intolerance and a tendency to allergies. Berry should be used with caution for women who are carrying and nursing a baby. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Like, comment and share with your family and friends informative video, tips and remedies we are publishing. We wish you and your family healthy life. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, live long.